Welcome back to Wegs Garage. Today we're going to be getting our 1964 Triumph TR4 tuned up and running great. We'll be putting on some new spark plugs, wires, making some adjustments, and then hopefully by the end of this getting the hood put back on and go for a little test drive. So stay tuned. First, we're going to get the easy stuff out of the way. We're going to get the old spark plugs and wires out and replace those with some new ones. Alright, new spark plug wires, spark plugs, and ignition coil are in. That fixes the problem with our coil that we had before. So this isn't exactly tune-up related, but we're going to go ahead and replace a whole bunch of light bulbs real quick, and also the flasher relay. Alright, so that was kind of a frustrating waste of time there. So basically, on this side, both taillights work, the blinkers work, but when you press the brakes, this one works great, but on this one, both the taillight and the brake light go out. I don't know what is going on there. It's really confusing, but we're going to move on to something a little more productive so we can get this thing back on the road, and I guess we'll brush up on our hand signals for next weekend. Yeah, your theory about starting it out here so that it wouldn't smell up the garage didn't work out super well. Hello. So we definitely have a lot to learn in the timing department, but we got it to idle pretty well. By advancing the timing a bit, it seemed a little bit retarded, and played with the idle adjuster. Still idles kind of high, but it actually runs really well. Very responsive. No detonation or anything like that, so I think we're gonna kind of proceed with caution here. We definitely have a little more research to do on tuning to get this thing running great. So I think we're gonna go ahead and put our passenger seat in and maybe get the hood installed, which would be really cool. Alright, before we put the hood on, we gotta get this radiator shroud in place because some of these bolts are pretty hard to get to once the hood is on. So we got bolts here, putting those in now. So that's gonna do it for today. Super late right now, but we got the hood on, emblems on, it's running pretty good. Yeah, really excited. We're just 1 week away from cruise night. Thanks everybody so much for watching. We'll see you next time.